Now this consists of two 8mm clamps and two T30 bolts. So let's first get rid of loosen our clamps up. And we are going to get rid of our air box. And we're just going to pull it out of our intake hose and move it to the side. Now then we can get our T30s. Now this hooks in the back, so we're going to raise this up, keep it off our oil stick, we don't want to break it, and then we're going to work it loose off the hose going down to our throttle body. Now we'll set it off to the side. Now we're ready to reinstall our throttle body hose. If you let this walk down, it'll walk down into its own holes on our intake. Now air filter hose. Now our two T30s. What I like to do is give it a nudge back, but this is mounted in rubber. It's not going to make a whole lot of difference. Now we'll move over to our two clamps. Let's make sure this is fully seated. Snug it down. Fully seated. Snug it down. Now that's it for this video. I'm James Noble. As always, thank you for watching.